This is PC for free with the review of the HuntKey X7 900 watt power supply. First of all, thanks to HuntKey for sending this to me. The website can be found at www.huntkeydiy.com. So let's start off with the main feature of this power supply. It is modular. You only connect the cables that you need, which is very nice for cable management. Just plug it in, and you only plug in necessary ones, cutting down on cable mess inside the case. It's also 80+ silver certified. It should be very efficient, and I'll talk about that a little later in the review. Okay, so let's talk about the cables first of all. As you can see, like the 24-pin motherboard connector, they are all sleeved nicely. And this cable sleeve, which helps manage the cables inside the case. It also looks better than all the red and yellow cables. However, I would be nice to see this a little more opaque so the wires aren't as visible. Also, all of the modular cables are also sleeved, so everything in all of the power cords do look the same. Also, what I like is the diagram here for the modular cables, so you know which cables to plug in where, which makes it just very easy to use. One thing I'm not too fond of is the amount of SAT cables on here and the distance between them. As you can see, there's quite a lot of bends, but it should be fine. Also, all of the modular cables are a very good length, should reach anywhere in most full tower cases. This large fan on the top you can see here, it's a 140mm fan. It's got a smart fan controller, so it changes as the load increases, and I found it to be barely audible below 75%, but once it gets above that it's quite loud. But otherwise it's very good. One thing, another little quibble, no AC switch here, which is quite annoying sometimes, but mostly fine. Overall, I found this power supply to be very efficient, powers everything just fine. I'd highly recommend it to anyone who's looking for a 900 watt power supply. It's also fairly cheap at around £120 for a high-end power supply. So thanks again to HuntKey. This is PC for free. See you in the next video.